Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm super excited. I broke out the Christmas music for this because I get to share with you the Merry Everything Christmas kit. Now this is from Spellbinders and it's a card kit that is jam-packed. It's not the card kit of the month. I want you to let you guys know that. That will come in this regular blue box. This box is twice the size of that because it is a special edition kit, and it's called, again, the Merry Everything Christmas Kit. And I'm super excited I get to share it with you guys. We're going to go through everything that is included in the kit, and then we're going to make some projects with this later on. Okay, so I'm excited because I get to share. I'm opening it at the same time as I'm sharing it with you. So this is the kit. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. I believe it's while supplies last, and so I have a feeling these are going to go really fast because of the value. There's over 630 pieces in here, guys. And I promise you'll probably be able to make all of your Christmas cards and tags with this kit. Okay, this is your cover sheet, and of course on the back you get an inspirational guide on how to create that cute little card there. The front shows the contents, but we're going to go through all of that right now. We're going to start off with our cardstock. They're 8.5 by 11 inch sheets, and you get 14 of them. And I love the colors because they're not only Christmas themed, traditional Christmas themed actually, but you get black, you get the blue, you get gray, and then you get 3 reds, a darker red here, and then you get 2 traditional red colors. You get 3 green. So the reds and the greens you get extra of, and I really like that. And then you get base colors like gray, black, tan, blue for backgrounds. I'm counting them, but you get 14 in total. This is a nice sky blue. You get the real soft ivory, 2 whites, and then you get a craft, almost like a goldy craft color cardstock. So those are great for die cutting your pieces out. So those are your 14 sheets, and then you get 2 specialty cardstocks that are made with the mirror gold and the mirror silver. And then also you get some glittery cardstock. I'm going to take it out of the package, show you guys. You get 2 sheets. You get a red glitter cardstock, and then you get a white. So this is nice to sparkle up your fancy Christmas cards. I'm super excited about this kit. Okay, I turned on my lights to see if it can pick up that white one, but it's sparkly. Okay, you also get 2 sheets of vellum. These are 8 by 8 inch sheets, and they have a red foiled accent on here. One of them is diagonal stripes, reminds me of candy canes. Then the other one has real pretty stars on there. So you get 2 sheets of your vellum. And then next up you get your 6 by 6 paper pad. This paper pad comes with 40 different patterns of paper, and you get 2 of each pattern. They're single-sided, and some of them have some foiling on there, which makes them extra special. But again, this is a pretty much traditional colored Christmas themed kit, and I like that. Candy canes, polka dot, stripes. That has some decorative foil elements. Those are presents. So cute. So this is your 6 by 6 Merry Everything paper pad. Okay, after we have that, we now have alpha stickers in red glitter foam. You get the entire alphabet and lots of extra letters. But before I show you that, I'm ahead of myself. We're going to check out the stamp set here. This is a sentiment stamp set that has different fonts that are whimsical, elegant, and I love that. But here's your stickers. These are nice, and they're nice and thick too, which is great for adding dimension to your projects. And they're red glittery foam stickers. You also get some chipboard stickers, kind of, sorta. They are thinner than regular chipboard, but they're adhesive backed. They're sentiments, arrows, stars, fully adhesive backed, but they're not cardstock, but they're not chipboard. They're kind of in between, which is really nice actually, because you can pop them up even higher if you want. Okay, next up you get some epoxy stickers, nice and glossy, glittery. and you get sentiments that say Noel, and then you get a thought bubble, Christmas trees, candy cane, lots of candy in here. And you can get a pretty little reindeer. So you get that sticker sheet. And then you also get 120 piece self-adhesive gems. They're calling, Spellbinders is calling these diamondantes. They look like diamonds, guys. There's a lot of facets in there. Some gems aren't that faceted, but those are real pretty. My girls actually like to take those and put them on their ears as earrings when they're fancy like that. But you get some Dear Santa, letters to Santa stickers, and they're dimensional. And then those are the stickers I just showed you in the envelopes have foam adhesive on the back, so all you do is peel and stick. Now these are tags, and it comes with twine. You get 4 of each tag. These ones actually have that clear white glittery. Then you have the red and white. The black and white are glittery too. Then you have some, this matches some of the pattern papers. Then you get the red glittery stickers. Then you get the poinsettias. I call them poinsettias. I know I get flack from people calling them poinsettias, but when I grew up, I called those flowers poinsettias. But you get those too. And in that pack alone, guys, there's 24 tags. Lots of tags. And I plan on creating some fun tags with those. Now you get a 3-pack sticker set here. First one has 4-dimensional stickers. The second one has sentiment labels that have gold foils. And then this third one here has stickers that are in sentiments or candies, little accent pieces. But these are clear. I'm going to open these up and show you what they look like. They're just clear that you would peel and stick on your project. So super neat. And you get, so that's a 3-pack there. Okay, next up you get your die cut pack, and oh my goodness, just because I want to show you guys everything in the die cut pack because it's so fun. I'm going to set all of this aside, clear off my little area, and then we're going to go through it. And I did speed it up quite a bit because it would have took me a long time. There's a lot packed in here. This kit, you get 2 of every image. But of course the traditional presents, reindeers, Santas, sentiments, snowflakes. It probably has every imaginable image you can think of. So it makes creating cards easy peasy. Oh my goodness. Some of them have foiled accents on them. Some of them don't, which is really nice. Great for making collage cards. You get Christmas trees. Now I'll link it down below. But the value of this kit, guys, is over $115 or $120. Or might be in between. But there's so much in here that that the value that they're selling it for is worth it. You can make all your Christmas tags and cards with it. So that's your die cut pack. And again, you get 2 of each of those. I'm just going to put these back into play in my pack so I don't lose any. And then we're going to set this aside. Now you also get these here are journaling cards. You get 8 of the 4x6s, okay, and they're double-sided. And then you get they're 40 in total. So you get 8 of the larger ones, and then you get 32 of the smaller ones, and you get 2 of each one of the smaller ones, which is great. You know why? Because if you wanted to flip it over and use the reverse side, you have the option of doing that because you have 2 of each, and these are double-sided as well. You can see each one of them. So 32 of the 3x4 journaling tags, and then you get 8 of the 4x6 ones. Lots and lots. 40 in total. Okay, you'll get your adhesive, of course, and then you get 2 of your foam sheets for popping up and adding dimension, and then you get your red and white baker's twine, and then you also get 9 dies. Now I saved this for a little bit later because I wanted to create a project using these during my unboxing, only because I wanted to show you how they worked. But this is just the cutest. Oh my goodness. You get the little car here, you get the Christmas tree that has layers. There's 2 layers in total. Then you get the little stars or little circles that you can decorate your tree with. And then you get the elements. That's a little Christmas present pack that will fit on top of the little car there. And then that piece on the bottom has that bow. And this shows a picture of what you can create with that die set. So let's make one of those, okay? So we're going to bring in some colored cardstock. I didn't want to cut the cardstock just yet because I wasn't sure on how I was going to use it. But I wanted to create a pink bug. So we're going to die cut out a pink car. For the wheels, I'm using black cardstock in the 2 little circles. I cut out 2 of each of those. And then for the bow, I used a red cardstock. And then for the chrome on the car, I'm bringing in some silver mirror cardstock. I die cut out my Christmas tree along with the little trunk it stands on. And so we're ready to assemble. I'm just going to punch out all these little pieces. Now I wanted to back my car up on some white cardstock. I thought about using black cardstock and I opted for white. So I'm just going to put a thin layer of glue on the reverse side of my bug here. And then we're going to place this on white cardstock. And then just using my scissors, it's real easy to do, especially when the glue is still a little bit wet. You just kind of slide your scissors underneath your die cut piece, and then you just go around it, and it gives you a nice backing. Just going to follow it around. Now, as I build my Volkswagen, or I want to call it Volkswagen, but I think that I better not. I think it's my bug. I want to tell you a little story. Well, first of all, I attempted to learn how to drive a standard car. First time driving a car ever was in a Volkswagen Bug. Me and my girlfriend, I think it must have been 16. My girlfriend Jill just got her license for the first time, and we went out driving, and she said, "Here, you can drive it." And I was like, "No, I can't." And she was like, "Yeah, you can." And I couldn't. Trust me, I couldn't. But that was my first experience with one of these little cars, so that's why I'm super tickled about this little die cut set. The second one was when I got my very first apartment. I must have been 19 years old. My best friend Mary had a Volkswagen, and it was a pretty beat up yellow one. It didn't look as cute as this, but I wanted a real Christmas tree. And so we went to our Christmas tree farm, picked out a Christmas tree, and I think it was bigger than the car, guys. It was, I don't know what I was thinking, but I wanted a big Christmas tree. And so we drove a little ways with the Christmas tree on top, and it kept falling off. And I thought, oh my goodness, how are we going to do this? So we ended up putting the Christmas tree in the trunk. Now on these cars, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but the trunk is in the front. The engine is in the back. So the tree was super huge. We ended up having maybe about 4 or 5 feet of Christmas tree hanging out the very front of the car as we were driving down the road. We didn't live that far, but oh my goodness, that's what these remind me of. So that's my little story. I thought I would share that with you. That's what this reminds me of. These would be cute little ornaments too. But I added my chrome pieces. I added a side view mirror too. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to go, but I think it looks cute. I'm going to layer my Christmas tree together, just using glue down the spine there. I'm going to flip that around. And then the Christmas tree comes with a little base. Now I die cut it out with brown cardstock. I'm going to glue it to the bottom here, and then the top piece is going to add a little dimension to that trunk, or the Christmas tree base. But for it to add dimension, you want it to be a different color. So I'm going to use my brown Copic marker and just do a darker shade of brown, and then we'll go ahead and add that to the top of the trunk for a little bit of dimension. So cute. Okay, we're going to flip it around, actually. Put the stand on the back side. Okay, love that. Now we're going to add our bow. We're going to add the one that goes around the car first. Just add a little glue behind here and secure that. And I'm using the picture. I think it should have been flipped around, but I'm using the picture on the cover sheet as a guide. On the reverse side, it shows you how to put it together. Then you add the bow bottom, and then I'm going to add the bow top right above it. And then there's a little, it looks like a heart piece. You could use it as a heart if you wanted to, but this little piece goes in the center of the bow for another added layer of dimension. And then there's, now if you wanted to replace the Christmas tree with your stack of presents, you could very well do that and put the bow on top of this. That would work out just great. It die cuts out extra pieces for the presents to give it a variant in color. So I used orange on red, but this would be great too for birthdays if you wanted to use it as a birthday tag. Oh, these are going to be cute on tags. Okay, we'll add here our last piece. So that's super cute. If you want to put that, like I said, in place of the tree, you could do that too. Lots of options with that. But isn't that adorable? I just love that. Okay, and this little die set too is exclusive to the Merry Everything Christmas kit, which makes it super fun. Okay, we're almost done. You get your card bases and your envelopes. I'm still just loving this. Card bases and envelopes in this kit, you get, well, let's just break them out. You get 25. Can you believe that, guys? 25 envelopes all ready to go, and 25 card bases. And these are A2 size white card bases. They're side folding, so in that die cut will fit perfectly on your card bases. So I think this is everything in the kit. This is enough. This is tons and tons of stuff, guys. Now I can't promise you I'm going to make 25 cards. Well, I might make 25 cards. I'm just not sure. But keep a lookout for my next video. I am going to make tags, and I am going to make some cards. So I'll link it. Not right after this video. Give me a couple days. This is a huge kit. But I'm going to have so much fun playing with it. I want to thank you so much for joining me. Remember, links are down below if you want to check it out. I have a feeling they're going to go fast, guys. But have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.